So let's begin. I'm going to start off by adding some basil, followed by some spinach, some fresh lemon juice, some water, and some salt. We are now going to blend it until it becomes a paste. Now that the pesto has been made, we are going to add in the rest of the ingredients to the pre-boiled pasta. Now that this is well mixed, it's ready to serve. You can also add in olives and pine nuts if you wish. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, as well as hitting the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye.